Hi everyone, let's look for things that are different colors. Let's look for something blue. Oh look, the water is blue. We can splash in the water. Look, a blue bucket. It's fit for a beach day treasure hunt. Wow, a blue crab. Who knew a crab could be blue? It's like finding a needle in the ocean. A blue towel, just what I needed to dry off after a swim. Look, a blue frisbee. Finally something to play with. What did we see that was blue? A blue frisbee, a blue towel, a blue crab, a blue bucket, and the water is blue. So many things are blue. Let's look for something red. Look, a red lifeguard tower. That tower sure stands out like a lighthouse. A red beach ball. Time to play some beach volleyball. A red beach umbrella. Perfect for some shade on a hot day. A red cooler. Keeping drinks cold and refreshing all day long. What did we see that was red? A red lifeguard tower, a red beach ball, a red beach umbrella, and a red cooler. There are so many things that are red. Let's look for something yellow. Look, the sun is yellow. What a beautiful day for a walk on the beach. A yellow sandcastle bucket. Building sandcastles just got a whole lot easier. A yellow beach chair. Time for a nap in the sun. A yellow beach hat. Protecting my face from the sun in style. What did we see that was yellow? A yellow sandcastle bucket, a yellow beach chair, a yellow beach hat, and the yellow sun. There are so many things that are yellow. Let's look for something green. Look, a green palm tree. The palm tree adds a touch of nature to this paradise. A green beach towel, matching my surroundings and drying off after a swim. A green inflatable raft. Time to float down the river. A green sea turtle, swimming in the water and sunbathing on the shore. What did we find that was green? A green palm tree, a green beach towel, a green inflatable raft, and a green sea turtle. So many green items. Let's look for something purple. Purple sea urchins, spiky creatures found in tidal pools along the shore. Purple starfish, a colorful addition to the underwater ecosystem. Purple shells, a unique and rare find along the shoreline. A purple beach bag, just what I need to carry all of my beach treasures. What did we find that was purple? Purple sea urchins, purple starfish, purple shells, and a purple beach bag. So many purple items at the beach. Let's look for something orange. Orange crabs, scurrying along the sand and in the tidal pools. Orange fish, swimming in the shallow waters near the shore. Orange coral, adding color and diversity to the underwater ecosystem. Look, an orange sunset. What a perfect end to the day at the beach. What did we find that was orange? We found orange crabs, orange fish, orange coral, and an orange sunset. So many things that are orange. We did it! We found so many colors. Thank you, and see you next time!